Alright guys, I got this new to me dust collector. It fits on a barrel. This is a little bit smaller than a 55-gallon drum, so it doesn't quite fit on there. But it did come with this long hose, so I'm excited for that. And it works. It's a little rough. I think it's supposed to create a vortex in there and it fall to the bottom. But it also has this, which requires a dust bag, I believe. So went ahead and bought one of these dust bags, and I'm gonna attach it on there. I got some foam weather stripping as well. It's got some holes up here. I don't know if someone tried to drill holes to mount the thing on there, the hose on there, but he just had it duct tape on there. I'm gonna get another clamp for that to clamp it on. It's a crack right there. I'm gonna put some window sealing tape as well as plug these holes up. But I got the foam strip tape because the bottom of it is not sealed properly. So I'm gonna replace this foam seal around the edge. All right, it's time to bust out the heat gun because this foam tape is old. The newer stuff came right off, so we're gonna try this. Now I'm going to try and apply some of this foam tape. Using some window flashing because that's what I had. And it's pretty sticky, especially to this surface after cleaning it off and spraying it. We'll see how long that lasts. I think I'm gonna go do another one of the foam tape because the barrel is not the full diameter. Now I'm gonna try and hook this bag up. This bag isn't made for this, so I don't know how it's gonna go. I might have to make something different. All right, I moved you back here so that you can see the full thing. I'm about to fire it up and suck up this pile of dust, see how it works. Well, there you have it. It does work. It does suck. It doesn't have a lot of suction. I think there's a lot of weak points in it to where it's getting air in. So I'll work on it, but right now I'm gonna hook it up to the saw and see how well it keeps the dust down in here. Thanks for watching.